Hello guys, this is my first video on my YouTube channel. So I am starting my video. Topic is coordinate geometry. This is the very easiest chapter in commercial mathematics or business mathematics. So I am starting the in this chapter there are few formulas that will help us to solve the equations. There are mainly four formulas in coordinate geometry chapter. First formula, distance formula. Second, midpoint formula. Third, area of triangle. And fourth is section formula. So let's start our first topic, distance formula. The formula is root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, where x1 comma y1 is the coordinate of first point and x2 comma y2 is the coordinate of the second point. By joining the points we can find a line. The distance of the line or the measurement of the line we can find through this distance formula. So by this formula we can get the value the measure of the line. It may be in any unit, that does not matter, but in exam hall the given unit we have to put, otherwise the mark will be deducted. Midpoint formula. We know that the midpoint divides a line segment equally or in equal ratio. So by using this formula we can find the coordinates of the midpoint of a line segment or of any 2 point. The formula is x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2, where x1 comma y1 are the coordinates of the first point and x2 comma y2 are the coordinates of the second point. And by using this formula we can find the midpoint between the first point and the second point. Note that also the midpoint divides the line segment in the ratio 1:1. It may came in your mind that if the point cuts the line segment in any other ratio like 2:3 or 4:5 rather than 1:1, then what they will do? They will use midpoint formula or do anything. Yeah, for this question there is another formula, that is our third formula, section formula. By using this section formula we can find the coordinates of the point that cuts the line segment in the ratio m:n, where m and n are any other point. For this the formula is mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n, where x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2 are the endpoints of the line segment and m and n are the ratios in which the line segment divided. Rather than this, you must know that section formula are of two types. First is internal section formula and another one is external section formula. Internal section formula is same as the actual section formula. For external one, the formula is mx2 minus nx1 divided by m minus n, comma my2 minus ny1 divided by m minus n. Our fourth topic is area of triangle. You may get in earlier class that area of triangle equal to half into base into height, or Heron's formula. By using this you can find the area of triangle, but in coordinate geometry another formula included. The formula is half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 whole square units, where x1, y1 are the coordinate of first point of or first vertex of the triangle, x2, y2 is the second vertex of or the coordinate of the second vertex of the triangle, and x3, y3 is the coordinate of the third vertex of the triangle. By using this formula, you can find the area of triangle in case of coordinate geometry. In case of triangle, there may be another question about centroid of the triangle. For this, you can find the coordinate of the centroid of the triangle by using this formula. The formula is sum of the x coordinate divided by 3, comma, sum of the y coordinate divided by 3. Now guys, this video is becoming very much boring or very much longer, so I am finishing the video in 2 minutes. Before that, I am giving some tips for exam or notes. Note 1, the x coordinate is also known as abscissa. Note 2, y coordinate is also known as ordinate. 3, where the coordinate geometry done or the graph are done, this plane is known as Cartesian plane. Note 4, the value of x or y may be negative, may be positive, or become 0. Note 5, in case of collinear, the area of triangle is 0 square unit. Note 6, centroid divides a median internally in the ratio 2:1. So now I am giving some tips about, for exam, put the correct value of x and y, otherwise the answer will become wrong. Don't take any pressure about coordinate geometry because this is the very easiest chapter. You can score full mark by using these formulas and notes. So guys, this time to finish this video. This video may help you in exam, so please do.